Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Document sim Jingeh jaga pass ba ki Samla Pule ka Def College mentang sngi atrik unai lor aljar phosau Glepen long ke jingra ke graduation day mat ha jo ka por ka breru ka lingko da bandre pu asnem jaga college Naduh balaseng ka house nem ka khandai spa andre phawar Ki Samla ko lependep ya graduate bro ki dan shi spa san phulangun ban pedeng kini dan songun ke bio abad ha ki dan makin thum Ni ka Samla bari mur nong siet ke bio ha ka dan basau ha chemistry ka Samla badake nong neng deloy ke bio ha ka dan ningkong ha khasi u Samla basendan wanch nong bio bad ya ka dan ka balai bad ka banchara pius kharmaushun ha ka dan ka basau Hang ni kasngiu MP ke Shillong u Dr. Ricky Eji Singkon luan banshim ya ka benta ko mukong san mat apply pai ba ro ya atli kot wat bania jang political science ba kum ju ru jang khasi Hakajo kapor kong sanula samru yaki kusnam chigi saungut ki Samla Pule ki bra yo kadan ha graduate ba ki Samla ki bra pendep yaki jing Pule daga college ki jang ka batch arajar phowei hadu arajar phosau
Pleasure to address this gathering at this moment. As we all know, today, the 2nd September 2024, is the College Foundation Day. And on this day, the college has completed 62 long years of service that it has rendered in the field of education. It therefore has a history of more than 6 decades, an experience of more than 6 decades, a continuity for more than 6 decades. Today, we look back with gratitude and we look ahead with a hope that is renewed, with a spirit that is courageous and a mind determined to provide the best of learning experiences. The present connects our history with our future, and we stand strong and will collectively endeavor to meet the challenges and expectations of the day. In this era of transition of higher education, where the National Education Policy 2020 had been implemented, whatever challenges that came up, we were able to overcome with collective action, professional preparation, and unstinted result, keeping in mind the need to provide our students quality and holistic education. Honorable Sir, I am happy to inform you that 1 year into this new journey, into the many opportunities of learning that NEP provides, we have been able to overcome initial challenges, and students have been the most valued beneficiaries. We will further engage with all stakeholders and chart a course forward, keeping the interest of the students at primacy. Our institution is fortunate to have within its fold the experience of the elder teachers and the vigor and energy of the younger ones. A combination which provides the best academic environment for the students, where ideas, objectives converge, Initiatives taken combined with an action-driven principle involving one and all. Each member makes invaluable contribution through teaching and learning, and it is this collective that has made our institution cross many a milestone. Recently, the college has taken an initiative to extend financial assistance to different departments to carry out their minor research projects. And I am happy to say that for the first time in the history of the institution, the departments of political science and the Department of Khasi have completed their minor research projects, and their research publications will be released today. I therefore take this opportunity to congratulate the faculty members of both these departments for this great achievement. Let us give a round of applause to these departments. 24 for having graduated with honors, and also to those students who have completed the certificate course on Khasi traditional music. I would also like to extend a special congratulations to all the rank holders of the departments of Khasi and chemistry. We salute their efforts and achievements. They have toiled, worked hard, and burnt the midnight oil to be able to taste the fruit of success. We, the graduates of Sankadev College, Shillong, hereby pledge that in the thought, word, and deed, we shall endeavor to use our education for the greater good of humanity, to act honestly and fairly, to uphold the dignity and integrity of any profession we shall be in. We pledge our faith and allegiance to the high principles, morals, and values of our institute and the nation, and that we shall devote our lives to promote the unity and growth of our country, and to utilize our knowledge for creating and building a better world. So help us God. You may be seated. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to each one of you present here. It is indeed a great moment for me to stand before you to announce to release this minor research which has been conducted by the Department of Political Science of Sankadev College on the topic Meghalaya Assembly Elections 2023, Issues, Agenda and Commitment of Political Parties. With this release, I'm sure that whoever this research, which is a very pertinent issue. I hope it will throw a lot of light and insight to all who are interested, especially in the field of politics. Thank you. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the Department of Khasi, who have carried out a research, a minor research, entitled Kawat Benya Haror Kijiguai Khasi, Kiba Kren Shafan Kame Mariam, but Kasolom Soko, Kasain Khat Khasi, Kawayasno, but Kamariam, but Kumno Banpane Pansa. On this very day, I release this minor research, which I'm sure is a great contribution to our knowledge, and the Khasi knowledge, and also I'm sure it will be great use and benefit for many to know more about the Khasi tradition, the Khasi culture in this particular field. Thank you so much. Cherish the graduation day, and I am happy to be here with you on this defining day of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, it is heartening to know that the college, since its establishment way back in 1962, has now successfully completed around 62 years of imparting quality learning, character building, and skill development to thousands and thousands of students since its inception. Well, it is a matter of satisfaction that the college has grown by leaps and bounds in almost every front. From a modest beginning, which was an evening college, right, way back in 1962, and now Samla College is almost like, I would say, an epicenter of learning, especially in this part of the region. I congratulate under the able leadership of the principal. Well, I'm happy to learn also that the college today commits itself to the highest level of imparting quality education through continuous upgradation of facilities and infrastructure. I remember this college about 30 years ago, maybe 25 years ago. It was just one building. But thank God, praise God, that we see buildings and infrastructure coming up with each and every passing year. Then the introduction of postgraduate courses, vocational and certificate courses, e-learning portals that I saw in the presentation, and also the commitment for academic excellence. It is quite evident from the fact that the college was re-accredited with B grade by the NAC, and I'm very pleased to also know that the college is offering, as of today, the MA TESOL and also the postgraduate in Khasi, which is something especially dear to me, because as a parliamentarian, I am, and I will make and take every effort to ensure that, and I hope, with your blessing and the efforts and the support that we are having today, to see Khasi being included within the 8th schedule. I take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you who are associated with the growth and the development of this prestigious college. High quality education is the best way forward for developing and for maximizing our country's rich talent and resources, particularly the human resources. Well, our ability to provide high quality education opportunity to our enormous youth population, which makes up almost about 60+% of our population, I'm sure it will determine the future of our country. Education, no doubt, it does determine our leadership on the global stage in terms of economic growth, in terms of social justice, in terms of social equality, scientific advancement, national integration, and even cultural preservation. And in this context, it is quite satisfying to note that your college, Samla College, has excelled on the academic front and has been attracting students not only from this state but also from our neighboring states. I believe that the continual development of infrastructure, initiatives taken from time to time, career counseling, which I'm sure you are having, the placement cell, I believe you also have that, and the other concept of the college, along with a well-structured courses and teaching, provides an opportunity to the students to excel not just on the academic front, but also equipping our dear students with employable skills and competency. And on this, I would like to sincerely compliment the faculty of the college for their sincere dedication and their unwavering commitments. Thank you all, the faculty of this college. I once again extend my heartiest congratulations to all the students who have received their degree, and to the teachers, parents, for all their painstaking efforts that they have put in.